What are they called?
I don't know. They're like rams.
Rams? Deer things? What are those called?
Bighorn something.
Bighorn. Me either. They are cute though.
On the side of the road.
Yeah. My video's not good enough to get them, but they sure are cute. They are right there. Just can't tell.